Well, first thing we're gonna do, right, is connect the ribs. So for now, we start with just where it overlaps.
Yeah, but no, I'm just. So that one doesn't go inside.
Nope, that's the unfinished side. So take that screw out and let's lift the sheet up. Even if you got to go up past your cuffs,
That could be cut. Yeah.
whatever you got to do, we'll snap it in after. Yeah. Hold it there. I'll drive that. And I'm going to go up.
Like clamp on it, right? Step on it on each one.
Yeah, that's right. Just like that. I'm actually just I'm gonna avoid driving it all the way. Kicking up in an angle. Always be careful not to dent it. Oh shit.
I think the battery's like that, eh?
Shouldn't be. Put it on 5.
Yeah.
Set her down.
Snap it on, do that, and bring it up. Yeah.
Let's get a couple more ready. Not too often. It's decent on this year, but it's about 50-50. Flat on this up. Oh, need one more. Oh, get it ready. Fine, you're gonna just pull it up in this position. It's good. Yeah. So we put it upside down so it glides better.
Yep.
Stick it right in the middle, clamp it down. Feels pretty tight.
So where were you tightening it? Right here?
Hello, Mackenzie speaking. Good yourself. Okay.
Lined up.
Go up, 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 up. Yeah, focus on the ribs. Take it out of the cuff, then bring it up. Right? Tight. You're holding it? All right, so he's gonna hold that as best he can. I wanna go as low as I can.
I'm off up here.
That's fine.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. That's for calf and that's like a floor.
Well, it'll work out. Start at the bottom. Nice kick. And I'm just gonna work my way up.
Yep.
That upwards diagonal kick that's where all the magic is. It's a great way to go. And we'll just continue to work out. Start at the bottom, up, kick, upwards and knee, connected, and just repeat. Yep. Take a left, right, and left. There we go. Got it. It's not terrible, once you get one side, it's not like it causes problems. But it's really important. That's why it's not easy to go a bit. And then it is still there now. You can take a we're going to do adjustment. So we're going to see that. This is like everything here. Get it nice and tight, make sure it doesn't go. Then you'll. There we go, get it back in again. It's really good. You just want to connect the 2 sheets. Don't want it going to the root though. You won't be able to adjust it. Right. Tight. Yeah. No, that's one we did the original one. Rip. Put tight inwards. So I get there. Now. Take a second, unhook and grab the unfinished side when you're ready.
Now.
Clicking? That's awesome. Make sure to check the bottom and make any adjustments before moving on.